Welcome to Kids Learning Center with AAK. Once there was a boy named Rinku who loved to play pranks. One day he shouted, "Help! There's a lion in the village." All the villagers came running with sticks and stones, but there was no lion. Rinku laughed and said, "Just joking." The next day he did it again. "Lion! Lion near the well." The people ran again but still no lion. Rinku laughed louder. But on the third day, there really was a lion. Rinku saw it near the field and shouted, "Help! Lion! Real lion this time." But no one came. The villagers said, "He's joking again." The lion chased Rinku and he ran and hid in a tree crying. Luckily the lion left, but Rinku was very scared. He went home and said sorry to everyone. From that day Rinku never told lies again. He became an honest and trusted boy in the village. Moral of the story? If you lie all the time, no one will believe you when you're telling the truth. So always be honest. Like, share, and subscribe to Kids Learning Center with AAK for more fun and simple stories. See you next time.